Hey everyone, welcome back. So school is tough enough, right? Balancing classes, assignments, and somehow squeezing in social life. It's wild, but guess what? We've got apps, and not just any apps, free apps that are about to change the game for you in 2024. So whether you're in high school, uni, or somewhere in between, this is going to save you so much time and stress. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the best free mobile apps for students. My name is Apiamera. Let's get right into it. So, kicking things off with Google Keep. I don't know if it's Google or Google. Google Keep. Think of this app as your digital sticky notes buddy. Got random ideas in class or need a reminder to buy snacks before that late night study session? Boom! Google Keep has got your back. You can create color-coded notes, set reminders, and even add voice memos if you are too lazy to type. No judgment, I've been there. Here's a little pro tip. Use labels and color coding to organize by subjects. You can literally see your life get organized. Plus, you can get access to your notes on both your phone and your laptop. That is the magic of cloud. Next up, we've got something for all the procrastinators out there. Forest. This app makes focusing kind of fun. Every time you stay focused, a tree grows. But if you pick up your phone and start scrolling Instagram, RIP3. Plant a tree, grow a forest, and wait for it. You are actually saving real trees because forest partners with tree planting organizations. So you're not just working on your term paper, you are helping the environment. Look at you, being productive and saving the planet. Okay, let's talk about Notion. This one is for the organizational freaks out here, or those of you who are trying to be. Notion is your one-stop app for everything. You can plan projects, track tasks, manage notes, and even set up a personal wiki. It's like your whole life in one app. But let me give you a pro tip. You can always use a template to create a simple task board. It will keep track of your assignments, your study schedule, and even your Netflix binge list. Because, let's be real, balance is key. Now, if you're like me,
what have you done?
And sometimes words don't just word, Grammarly is your best friend. So whether you're writing essays, discussion posts, or even emails to your professors, you got to sound professional. Grammarly catches your spelling mistakes, grammar slips, and awkward sentences. And don't worry, even if you're running late on that assignment, again, no judgment, Grammarly's free version does the job. It even has a tone detector, so you can even make sure you don't sound too salty in that email asking for an extension. Alright, for those of us who sometimes need a little extra help, Khan Academy is a lifesaver. Whether it's maths, science, economics, or even SAT prep, Khan Academy has got you covered with free lessons and quizzes. And it's not just watching videos. You can take practice quizzes, track your progress, and level up your knowledge. Think of it as having a tutor in your pocket for free. Next up, My Study Life. If your schedule looks like chaos, this app is here to organize your entire academic life. You can set up your timetable, add assignments, track exams. Basically, it's like your personal school assistant. Bonus, it works offline. So even if you are stuck somewhere with no Wi-Fi, you can still keep track of your upcoming exams or assignments. No excuses to forget deadlines now. And finally, we've got Quizlet. It's just like flashcards, but then made digital. It is perfect for studying on the go. Whether you're cramming for your exams or just doing quick reviews, you can make your own flashcards or choose from thousands already made by other students. Trust me, this app is a lifesaver when you need to memorize stuff fast. You can even challenge yourself with games like matching terms or doing quick tests. You ace that exams in no time. And there you have it, 7 free apps that are about to make your life as a student so much easier. So whether it is staying focused, organizing your schedule, or acing that next test, these apps have got you covered. Drop a comment below if you have used any of this or if I missed your favorite student app. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the latest apps, tips, and tricks. Catch you up in the next video. I'll see you. Ciao.